fun time in here, guys. Thank you for running this.
Yeah, it's been wild.
Oh yeah, this is already back up. See that pentagram down there, Xana? Some spooky stuff.
Oh,
we're in combat.
another one. It's
Here we
okay.
go.
Hi!
Alright, we're ready for it. We're ready
Bonk,
for it. I'm gonna try and hesitant. Let's just chill like here. We'll wait for him to come back to the when I see them coming from the hallway. I'll try and mark as quick as I can.
What if it's Brogok himself?
Oh, record victory in 1 second. Nice.
Rip, fucking
Okay.
rip.
Yeah, it's definitely more because the record victory was still going.
Just letting them come here.
Yeah, let me just chill up here. Okay. All right, let's go. We got him.
Boss!
Here we go.
It's the boss.
Keep moving him from that poison cloud.
As intended.
It's a blessing. What is going on?
I don't know anymore.
What is going on? We have to take
Sorry,
a
I'm
screenshot of him
dying.
dead in here.
Well, the boss is
Forget
really
that badge
easy.
after all, Sid.
Dude,
This is how we beat him.
the gate's gonna be closed still.
All right, great job, everybody. Woo, we
Job,
did
job.
it.
Okay.
Pretty good for affliction.
I can't even. I'm sorry.
What is going
Holy heck, fuck.
on?
I patched him. Fuck you.
Oh, I don't understand.
I can't even.